So Ken's presenting with the right short leg. And we take it up into flexion. That right leg still stays short. So that's telling me that he has a right ilium that's off. And then as I palpate, I'm feeling for a left sacrum. Okay. Ken was presenting with some sciatica down the leg. Ken, was that the left or the right leg? Left leg. And you see some stiffness in that left shoulder blade?
Yeah, down a little bit lower.
Right through here.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's a common sign, because usually that what happens is that lower cervical region is stuck, and that will send signals down to that shoulder blade. So we're gonna focus on those two areas while clearing out the rest of his nervous system. He's having difficulty just getting in this position, mostly because that sciatic nerve is being pulled. Good. Other side. Just gonna roll a little bit. There it is. Face up for me. All right, so we need to take some pressure off that cervical spine. Just relax those for me.
Oh.
We're also gonna traction the cervical spine. Relax.
Felt that. I feel it.
All right, I'm gonna have you cross those arms for me. I'm gonna roll to your side just a tad bit. There you go. Just relax. Tuck your chin to your chest. There it is. Tuck your chin one more time. Good. Last one. Good. Let's work on those shoulder blades for you as well, okay? Drop the shoulder all the way to the table. Let it fall. Good. There you go. Roll down. Drop that shoulder blade down. There you go. Open up those hip joints. Taking pressure. Ken already knows what's going on. This is going to help take off pressure off that that hip joint. There we go. Come on up for me whenever you're ready. Yeah, do you? That's awesome. All right, walk around the table for me. Okay. Go ahead and try to touch your toes. Try is a good word there.
Oh, much better than
Come on up. Yeah.